The truth about the Black Knight satellite. For decades, one mystery has hovered above our planet, silent, dark, and unexplained. It's called the Black Knight satellite, and to this day, it's one of the most enduring and controversial space mysteries of all time. Some say it's just space debris. Others believe it's an alien probe that has been orbiting Earth for thousands of years. But what's the truth? Let's go back to the beginning. The story starts in the late 1950s, the dawn of the space age. During this time, both the United States and the Soviet Union were launching satellites into orbit. But suddenly, reports began to surface that an unknown object was already circling the Earth, an object that neither country claimed responsibility for. In 1954, newspapers quoted a UFO researcher named Donald Keyhoe, who claimed the U.S. Air Force had discovered two mysterious satellites orbiting Earth years before humans had the technology to put them there. At the time, such an idea was unbelievable. No one on Earth had the means to launch satellites until Sputnik 1 went up in 1957. So what exactly was being detected? Then, in 1960, things got even stranger. The U.S. Navy detected a dark, unidentified object in polar orbit, an orbit that no known satellite could achieve at the time. They quickly announced it was a piece of space debris, possibly from an early Air Force mission. But the explanation didn't satisfy everyone. As time went on, reports of the Black Knight satellite continued to grow. Amateur radio operators claimed to have picked up mysterious signals, strange patterns and sounds they believed were being transmitted from the object itself. Some claimed that the signals contained mathematical sequences, possibly a form of communication. Then came 1998, the moment that reignited the entire mystery. During the Space Shuttle Endeavour's mission, NASA astronauts took several photographs of a dark, oddly shaped object floating above Earth. These images were released publicly, and immediately, UFO enthusiasts around the world declared this was the Black Knight satellite. The photos showed an object that looked mechanical, with sharp angles and panels unlike any normal piece of space debris. To believers, it was proof of alien technology, but NASA's official explanation was far less mysterious. According to them, the object was simply a piece of thermal insulation that had accidentally come loose during a spacewalk. Still, the legend refused to die. Those who believe in the Black Knight theory suggest that the object has been orbiting Earth for at least 13,000 years, monitoring human civilization. Some even connect it to a mysterious radio signal detected in 1928 by Nikola Tesla. He reported receiving repeating patterns from outer space, signals that some claim were coming from the same satellite. Skeptics, on the other hand, argue that the Black Knight is nothing more than a combination of mistaken identity, space debris, and myth fueled by the internet. They point out that photos of the so-called satellite show different shapes and angles, suggesting multiple pieces of debris rather than a single object. But there's something about the mystery that refuses to fade. Every few years, a new image or strange sighting surfaces, reigniting speculation. And while NASA insists it's all just a misunderstanding, believers argue that the government knows far more than it's revealing. Could the Black Knight satellite truly be an ancient alien probe, something placed in orbit long before we had the ability to explore space ourselves? Or is it simply a fascinating blend of coincidence, human imagination, and a desire to believe that we are not alone? Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain: the legend of the Black Knight satellite has captured the world as imagination, and until someone brings it back to Earth, it will remain one of the greatest space mysteries ever told.